Hello and welcome back to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Today, we're talking about something really cool. A while ago, I saw some amazing living rooms on Instagram that amazed me. But here's the twist. They weren't real. They were made by AI. This Instagram page has about 7 million followers, and their videos get lots of views, like tens of millions or even over 100 million sometimes. So they're making a lot of money, thousands of dollars every month. I got curious and looked into how they do it. And you know what? It's surprisingly simple and doesn't cost anything. In this video, I'll show you how to make these awesome videos yourself. So let's get started. First things first, to make these peaceful scenes, we use the magic of AI. We'll begin with an AI image generator. There are lots of options, but for this guide, I suggest using Leonardo AI because it's excellent. Plus, it's free and provides you with 150 daily credits, which should be more than enough. Now, the prompt I made for creating these living room scenes is really important. You can find them in the video description. You'll need to imagine a room that has tall windows from the floor to the ceiling. Use the Leonardo diffusion model to create the room and remember to upscale the image for better quality. You can also use the PicWash website. I'll provide all the website links in the description, and make sure to download the image when you're done. Creating the background for the window view is a separate step. I've got a prompt ready for that too. Generate the background using the prompt, upscale, and download it. But here's the twist, cutting out the windows. This can be done in Photoshop, or if you prefer a free option, use a browser-based Photoshop-like tool, such as Photopea. With the tool selected, meticulously cut out each window. For trickier areas, like around furniture, switch to the Magic Wand tool. Once you've cut these parts out, export the image as a PNG file. Now, onto the editing part. You'll need a user-friendly editing program, and my recommendation is CapCut. It's free. Start by uploading the image with the cutout windows and the background image onto CapCut's timeline. Place the background image first and layer the window cutout image on top. For the snow effect, find a suitable green screen video on YouTube, download it, and add it between the background and window images in CapCut. Using the chroma key feature, remove the green background of the snow video. Adjust the saturation and brightness to get crisp white snowflakes. For an extra cozy touch, let's add a fireplace. Find a fire green screen video on YouTube, download it, and follow the same steps as the snow effect. Scale, position, and trim the fire video to fit inside the fireplace. to cover the entire video, resize and duplicate the snow effect layers. Tweak their direction to create a more natural snowfall effect. Adjust the background's brightness if needed. Once satisfied, export the video. Now, create a compound clip with both layers, adjust the aspect ratio, and position it on the left side of the screen. To make it move smoothly from left to right, set keyframes for position and size. Lastly, you can use relaxing music and fire music from Pixabay. Ta-da! Your video is now in motion. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey. If you're as excited as I am about the endless possibilities of AI-generated content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mindful AI Money Hacks, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Keep exploring, keep creating,